Mid-century modern home with Zen Courtyards Garden, nature's embrace in the city. Introduction: a fusion of mid-century modern design and nature's serenity. Welcome to the Decor Essence YouTube channel. In today's video, we're stepping into a stunning mid-century modern home that beautifully integrates Zen courtyards and gardens into its design, offering a tranquil retreat right in the heart of the city. This home seamlessly combines the timeless elegance of mid-century modern architecture with nature's calming presence, creating a space where residents can connect with both the environment and the urban landscape. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast, someone looking for home design inspiration, or someone who appreciates the serene beauty of nature, this video will offer you new insights on how to create a home that feels at once contemporary and deeply rooted in natural surroundings. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Decor Essence for more videos on cutting-edge home design ideas. Mid-century modern architecture, a timeless style rooted in simplicity. The hallmark of mid-century modern architecture lies in its clean lines, functional form, and integration with nature. This home exemplifies the style with its expansive glass walls, flat rooflines, and open floor plans that emphasize seamless transitions between indoor and outdoor spaces. By focusing on minimalism and simplicity, the design avoids unnecessary embellishments, allowing the materials themselves, such as wood, glass, and concrete, to stand out. Mid-century modern homes often emphasize the use of Zen Courtyards, a gateway to tranquility. The inclusion of Zen Courtyards in this mid-century modern home is where architecture and nature converge in perfect harmony. Zen gardens, often associated with minimalist Japanese design, are revered for their calming aesthetic and their ability to create a meditative atmosphere. By incorporating Zen courtyards into the design, the home embraces a philosophy of peace, simplicity, and mindfulness. The design of the courtyards is intentionally understated, featuring rocks, gravel, and strategically placed plants that foster a sense of calm. Nature's embrace, the relationship between the garden and architecture. In this mid-century modern home, the relationship between the architecture and the surrounding garden is an integral part of the overall design concept. One of the primary goals of mid-century modernism was to connect the home to its environment. The addition of Zen courtyards amplifies this connection, creating a dynamic interplay between the built form and nature. Instead of being isolated from the landscape, the home embraces it, allowing the natural world to become an extension of the living space. Through open-air courtyards, sliding glass doors, and creating fluid indoor-outdoor transitions. A signature element of this home is the seamless indoor-outdoor transition, where each room flows effortlessly into the next, and each space feels connected to the surrounding environment. The use of glass walls, sliding doors, and large windows blurs the lines between the inside and outside. Living spaces, such as the living room, dining area, and kitchen, open directly into the Zen Courtyards and the lush garden. This design invites natural light to flood the interiors, creating an airy, bright, and welcoming atmosphere. The ability The role of landscaping in the home's design. Landscaping plays a crucial role in the success of this mid-century modern home, particularly with the integration of Zen Courtyards. In addition to enhancing the aesthetic value of the home, the landscaping creates an atmosphere of peace and mindfulness that defines the living experience. The Zen garden design features elements such as sculpted rocks, minimalist plantings, and meticulously arranged sand or gravel that reflect the meditative qualities of Japanese Zen gardens. The use of native plants and drought-resistant species further supports the home's environmental sustainability. Sustainability and eco-friendly design features. Incorporating sustainability into this home was a key priority for the architects, ensuring that the design not only embraced nature but also respected it. Mid-century modern homes often prioritize functionality, and this home is no different, with an emphasis on using materials and design strategies that reduce energy consumption and environmental impact. Energy-efficient windows, green roofs, and passive solar design are just a few of the sustainable features embedded in the structure. The Zen Courtyards and surrounding garden also support sustainability by utilizing native plants that require minimal maintenance. The role of minimalism in mid-century modern design. One of the defining aspects of mid-century modern design is its emphasis on minimalism, creating spaces that are functional, uncluttered, and visually harmonious. This home embraces this philosophy through its clean lines, open-plan interiors, and the use of natural materials. The simplicity of the architecture, both in the structure and the interior decor, allows the beauty of nature to take center stage. Every element within the home serves a purpose, and there is an overall sense of restraint that avoids creating a sense of calm and reflection through design. Ultimately, the goal of this mid-century modern home with its Zen courtyards is to foster a sense of calm and reflection. The design encourages residents to slow down, take a breath, and connect with their surroundings. By offering spaces that promote mindfulness and contemplation, the home becomes more than just a place to live, it becomes a sanctuary. The integration of Zen gardens with minimalist architecture creates a profound connection to the present moment. The natural elements of the courtyards, such as the sound of water, the scent of plants, Conclusion: a perfect balance between nature, design, and urban living. In conclusion, this mid-century modern home with Zen courtyards presents the perfect balance between nature, design, and urban living. It combines the best elements of mid-century modern architecture, such as minimalist design, open spaces, and natural materials, with the calming, reflective qualities of Zen gardens, creating a home that feels both contemporary and timeless. The Zen courtyards, lush landscaping, and energy-efficient features not only provide aesthetic appeal but also ensure that the home is a sustainable and harmonious space. If you